at this. Surprise from LBC.
You're a warrior. You keep going, yeah?
Thank you. I know you love me, but this is a secret. Good morning, everyone. I'm here with Vinny and Jim, but Jim is not here. Let's go to the yard to pick up the Hoover. We'll do the gutter cleaning and some repair. After that one, we'll do some carbon remover. Stay here and watch on this video. Today I will use our cherry picker to reach on this level to clean the gutter. If it's any problem or if any damage, I can see and I can fix it quick and simple.
This is something new today. The cameraman, myself, I've got access to the cherry picker and I'm going to be going up there with Dumi. Highly skilled, aren't you? Very skilled.
Thank you so much.
Done a lot of qualifications, a lot of skills.
Of course.
LBC, they have a cherry picker for hire with an operative, and not just any operative.
Professional one.
A professional one.
If I'm here, your job will be completely and will be very, very easy.
There he is, getting rigged up. This is it. So we're off. Up and away in the cherry picker. High-tech equipment here. Cherry picker is out on full extension now. Just gonna have a quick look. As you can see, oh,
Lots of moss.
lots of moss. So you'll be cleaning it all by hand, just working your way along and cleaning it all by hand, yeah, Dumi?
Yeah, we clean by hand all these long gutters and then we'll check the drainage to make sure it's empty.
So you just do a little test at the end to make
Yeah,
sure it's flowing.
Yeah, sure.
Perfect, okay. You see further along the line there is some thick green moss, so it does build up further we go. Got all that just blocking up the drains. Okay, so Dumi has taken us right up to the drainage, and as you can see here, completely blocked up. And this is why you need LBC with their expert team. There's just no drainage there whatsoever. You can see all this just backed up that he's already collected here, Dumi. Look at that. Thick sludge blocking up the drains. 3 full handfuls of thick sludge, still blocked. Dumi's just taking the grill out. So Dumi's got right to the very bottom of this downpipe, and now you can see a clear pathway for the water to go down. So that is, just to give you perspective, all that full of sludge, nowhere for the water to go. This is where Dumi's cleared so far up to this point. Nice clear gutter now, all that slime's built up. Downpipe has been cleared. Happy Dumi with the...
Very happy. Very lucky because it was blocked just here on the top.
See the bucket there is quickly filling up. It's quite surprising how much build up there is, you know, when you don't clean them regularly, how much dirt can accumulate in your drains, in your gutters. So Dumi's just going to take us round to the next section here.
Hi everyone, you can see here it's lots of moss. All this moss is coming from the roof directly onto the gutters, and from the gutters it's going onto the drain, and then it's blocked the drain. Clean the gutters and make sure your roof first is clean, because there's no point to clean the gutter and leave the roof dirt. First one, you have to clean the roof, make sure it's clean, no moss, and then clean the gutter regularly, like once a year or 6 months. Make sure you check every 6 months. But if you don't check, lots of problem is coming, and then it's cost lots of money.
Water damage, yeah. Absolutely. So what you're saying is
the most
roof
important is the roof.
Is the roof. Get the roof
sure
done.
Yeah, to make sure it's clean. Because look, when it's raining,
all just going to fall
or
in,
when
right?
It's wind, look, all these one by one is coming down and make the gutter full.
Gotcha. So just on that note, LBC, they do offer roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, patio
Pressure
cleaning, pressure washing,
steam cleaning,
carbon
carbon
removal. Pretty much every form of exterior cleaning going.
Exactly. Yeah.
So if you do need your roof cleaned or your gutters, make sure you contact LBC. And you'll get a handsome man like this turn up to do a professional job.
Oh, look at this. Full. This drainage is full. Have a look. Surprise from LBC.
Ooh, flipping. It's got roots. They were in desperate need for a gutter clean, huh?
Yeah.
Desperate.
This one, yeah.
Full to the
Full.
brim, full to the very
Yeah.
top.
Very, very top. This one is very, very top. Look.
Nice and clear now. Nice and clear. That's the first half done. Well played, Dumi. So we've been up the cherry picker and Dumi's cleared out the gutters. Probably just to the halfway point, just to that tree there. So we've just got to re-site the cherry picker quickly, just so we can access the other half of the gutter.
Okay guys, here I have one gutter repair. It's leaked there, you can see. And we'll use this instant repair paint. It's for waterproof. We'll apply inside. In 5 minutes, will be like a new.
Okay, Dumi, so are you doing the repair, the gutter repair now?
Yeah, now I try to repair. I dry first everything which water was there, and I pick up all the sand.
So you've cleaned and dried the area
Yeah.
out, cleared it of all the debris and dirt. Now you're just using the product to what, seal it? That's like a
To
sealant,
seal
right?
it, yeah. Apply the sealing and leave to dry. You don't need to do nothing else.
Perfect, okay. Confident that it will be sufficient, right?
Yeah.
So not only do LBC do the cleaning, but we can also do repairs here, right?
Yeah, if you have any problem on the gutters, maybe gutter broke or something like that, call LBC.
So we're on the final quadrant of this gutter on the lower level, getting there slowly but surely, getting all that muck up. Happy, Dumi, with the
Really happy. Very, very happy. It's almost done.
bucket. Nearly full. Dumi has found another
Another one.
repair. So this wasn't part of the original
No.
service, but you've actually found another
Yeah, I found
issue.
no issue and I will try to fix it because I'm here. Why not?
Exactly, and that's the good professionalism there. He could have just left it, wasn't part of the quote, but Dumi's going to fix it up, seal it up, give him a good, thorough service. Same method, applying the sealant. You're a good man, Dumi, you're a good man.
Thank you, Vinny, thank you. I know you love me. But
not-
this is a secret,
It's not just me.
not just you.
There's many people that love you. There's many fans all over the world now that love your work. They love what you do. Roof clean, gutter clean, patio clean, gutter repairs. Everything you do, man. Everything you do, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So that is all the gutter and the lower level clear. Job well done by Dumi. So the next bit is that higher level gutter there that you can see. That is the next job to do.
Now I'm on the top gutters. I just coming up to see how bad it is. But it's very, very bad. Lots of moss, some sand inside.
You're going to use the SkyVac for this higher.
Yes, I will use a SkyVac, the top one.
Okay, all right. Well, we can see. Look, Jim's here, and he has got the SkyVac in his possession. We'll be firing it up very soon. Getting all the kit out today. Cherry picker SkyVac. The SkyVac is in play. Dumi just sourcing the power source. Final touches of this job, we've got Jim down at ground level, just clearing out the drains at the very bottom. Complete job, top to bottom, literally. So moving on swiftly, Dumi's now going to do the little clean up there, the carbon staining on the brickwork. So he's just heating up, so he's just going to get the steam into play now. And he's going to clean up this little section, so hopefully we'll see a big difference here. Back up in the cherry picker. As you can see those two layers of bricks there at a 45-degree angle, both heavily stained. He's going to clean one of them just to showcase the power of the steam cleaning. Inspecting his work.
Today I do some steam cleaning and carbon remover as well. You can see back of me a big difference. I just want to show to the clients how it's looking. Maybe they decide to do all